Nigeria? What's up, Lagos? It's a new season right here in Lagos. As you can see, the atmosphere is, super beautiful, and I'm super excited because I'm right here at the movie premiere of Coming to America Season 2. Yeah, if you've watched the Season 1, you would be able to tell what the Season 1 is all about, where the prince actually left his father's palace to go look for a wife somewhere else. So in my mind, I'm like, that should be the end of the movie. But come on, guys, they've got something for us, and I can't wait to go watch it. So come on, let's go hear what people have to say and what they are expecting, because we have our own OBO, Davido, and Burna Boy right here in this movie. So come, let's go, guys. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at the movie premiere of Coming to America 2. And right here with me is one of the most hottest Nollywood actor right here with me. Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How you doing today?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, you look super, super gorgeous. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
So tell me, how long did it take you to look this? Like, how long have you been preparing for this?
2 days for the event, yeah. But then, yeah, I just threw this on because it was ready. Coming straight off of the New York Fashion Week runway. It's made by Nazarena Mictus. Okay. It's one that shows indomitability and wealth, which are characteristics of a king.
All right, so tell me, what can you say about Coming to America 1 since 1998?
It was the best thing I'd seen at the time and for a long time. It was so refreshing, so I'm really curious to see what they do with this second installment.
Okay, so how do you feel getting to have our own Oriade OBO in the movie?
Well, it's exciting. There's OBO, there's Burna Boy on the soundtrack. Yeah. I mean, I can't wait to just see and hear all of this.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, right here with me is the one and only, is the one of the Igbo one of the
King of Frog Nation, Eze Buruburu one, Ofia Fulagu, Anambra State.
Okay, guys. It's glaring that Fraud is actually ready. Like, he came prepared for this. Now, just take a look at this. Like, who else can, like, who else? Like, who does this? Just look at this. So tell me, Fraud, how long did it take you to look this, like, trying to, like, having your picture on this outfit? How long did it take you to actually?
I'll tell you, when I came up with the idea about a month ago, and it was designed by a guy called Felito. He brought it to life. And Felito, I am grateful, bro. Really grateful. Always, man.
Okay, so Fred, tell me, how do you feel about this movie, Coming to America? Okay, I'm very sure you must have seen the Coming to America 1, 1998, right? The prince got married. So what else are we expecting in season 2? Like, what else?
So, for me, to be honest, I know there's a lot of plot twist in this one, but I think the son of the prince's son is about to get married again. So it's for me, I think it's about what should I call it? Passing over the baton to the son. So I think that's what this one is about, and I would really like to see what it is. So.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel having our own Burna Boy in the soundtrack, and also Oriade OBO?
And OBO, yes. Trust me, it was still yesterday I noticed this, and it made me more excited about seeing the movie. The fact that Davido performed loud. Icho. Who they bring?
The real prince right here with me, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Coming to America, the Nigerian version. Oh shit, Killer, Okay, guys, as you can all see, we're having a great fun right here, and I'm super excited because I have the Arizona, like, the most. Don't let me go there, guys, so because I wouldn't want to flatter him tonight. Okay, so tell me, Arizona, how do you feel tonight?
Well, I feel good. I mean, I feel great. It's a great time to be out. I'm fully dressed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, how long did it take you to look this? Like, turn around, come on. This is like a princess wear, This is like a princess wear. So tell me, how long did it take you to look this good?
It doesn't take guys long time. I just wore the 3-piece and that was it. It took me 20 minutes actually.
All right, so look, who made this for you?
Mr. Wow. His name is Mr. Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, Elizona, like, Coming to America Part 1 was 1998.
Yes.
And the prince got married, which is the main reason why he left his father's house to go to another country or another state. So people will not get to know who he is. So now he got married, right? So what else? Like, what are we expecting this season? So tell me.
I don't know what we're expecting, but like that's what creativity is all about. You know, the ability to conjure something from nothing. And I'm pretty sure that if they waited this long to do a sequel, the storyline should be tight. The acting, the comedy. It's the comedy I want to see. That's my own. That's what I want. Yeah.
All right. So tell me, how do you feel getting to have our own Ori Ade Obio on this movie?
That's actually phenomenal, man.
And Burna Boy in the soundtrack.
It's fantastic. I won't even lie. It shows that, you know, like when you want to do something that's originally African, you have to pick people from Africa, right? You actually have to pick a lot of elements, important elements, especially the music, from here. Not that one American will be making African music. No, it doesn't work that way. So yes, it's impressive to see.
Okay, aside our own celebrities, our own people in the movie, who else are you looking forward to see in the movie?
I'm looking forward to all the characters that Eddie Murphy is going to play again.
Okay.
Because he doesn't only play one character.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. That's basically it.
All right. All right, thank you so much, Edison. Do enjoy the rest of the evening and have fun. If you're very conversant with Instagram, you would know who I am about to bring right here. And I'm super excited because it's also my namesake. Give it up for Eniola.
Hi.
Hi.
You know what
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so tell me, Eniola, how do you feel like, before then, tell me, how long did it take you to look this good?
I think I've been out since 2 p.m. Actually, like going out. Yes, sourcing for it.
Makeup thing? Is it because
Oh yes,
on Instagram?
yeah. So I wanted the eyeliner in particular. I just wanted something. I didn't want, beauty boy. I had to bring some beauty up in here. So kill me.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about this movie? You know, 1998, the season 1 came out. The prince got married. So what else?
What are we looking for? What I'm really excited about, and I said it everywhere, is that Davido is in this.
I was coming to die.
I'm sorry for jumping, Monfo, but I mean, what else? And I saw on Instagram, he was already looking at, like he was watching it himself, and I'm like, oh, this is pleasant to see. And I'm also looking forward to seeing, I know there are a lot of Nigerian inclinations that put him different characters. Yeah, so I'm like, hey.
In your love, please. Okay, so tell me, outside, what are you expecting in the movie? Like, you know, like I said earlier, the part 1, the prince got married.
Okay.
That was the main reason why he left his father's kingdom to go get. So what else are we looking for?
Looking forward to. Let me see. I'm interested in seeing the prince life. Let me know how he lived this life. Like, did he go back to royalty? Because, like, did he continue or did he break up with her? Did he end the relationship? But you know, just vibes. Basically, I want to enjoy the movie. That's it.
Thank you so very much, Eniola. And to enjoy the rest of the
It's okay.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at the movie premiere of Coming to America 2. And guess who we have here? The latest bride for me, the latest bride in town, because I've not seen her after that. So hi, good evening, Kathy. Hi everyone. Okay, and Kathy is not here alone, guys. Guess who Kathy came with? I know you guys are thinking maybe she came with her husband, but oh, I'm sorry to disappoint. Kathy is here with Mommy. Just take a look at Mommy. Come on. Mommy is looking so young. Like, who would have thought Mommy gave birth to this beautiful damsel? You can see. Okay, so Mommy, come closer. I don't Safari. Don't run away from me. Okay, so tell me, Mommy, how long did it take you to look this good? And were you the one that actually suggested that you both should be rocking same outfit?
I just advised Kathy because I've never seen her in African attire. So I said, so it should be better. I can wear it with you if you are afraid to wear it by yourself. So we decided to have the same attire.
Okay, so Mommy, why did you come with our princess? Like, why did you come with our queen tonight?
Oh, she really wanted me to come with her. Okay. So, and she liked to make me happy. So, because I said I'm not going to go, he said, no, you have to go. I'm not going.
Okay, so tell me, Mommy, have you seen this movie before?
I saw the first one.
Okay.
So we just went to see the trip that followed.
Okay, so tell me, Kathy, you belong to this generation, right? So tell me how you felt when you got to find out our own Oriade. I mean, O to the B to the O, O-B-O, and born a boy. Like, how do you?
I'm just excited. I can't wait to see. I'm like, oh, I wonder what it's going to be like. What part will it be? I'm just so proud of them. I'm proud of Nigeria. You know, Nigeria to the world. We've said that for a long time. It's happening. It's manifesting. So, yeah, we can't complain.
Okay, you've seen the season 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, now, the prince left his father's house to go get married somewhere else. Okay, now, what else I wish... So, what's the essence of the part 2? Tell me, like, what are you expecting about?
I just wanted to see what happens when he goes to find Prince. His dad left Zamunda to come and look for him once upon a time. Now he has to come and look for his prince, his hair. So I'm looking forward to that.
All right, so Mommy and Kathy, enjoy the rest of the evening. Like, I need to, like, this outfit is different. Like, it's different. I'm just so excited. You're welcome. All right, guys, like I said, the Coming to America movie premiere is really hot, and it's all about African attire. And I have one of the most beautiful women I have right here in the building. So give it up for the most beautiful. Turn around, baby. Okay, so tell me, what's your name?
My name is Fontaine Bassey.
Okay, so Fontaine, what do you do?
I am an actress. I am also a musician.
Okay. So tell me, how long did it take you to, like, you make this dress yourself?
Actually, I designed this dress.
Okay.
I designed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long did it take you to look this good, like, this complete outfit?
A good 1 hour and 45 minutes, you know.
So
I took my time.
was waiting for you to get ready, or you were ready before you got up here?
I drove myself, actually.
Okay, so tell me, Fountain, how do you feel about this movie, most especially having our own Oriade baddest? I learned from the best, you know, OBO, and we've got Burna Boy in the soundtrack. Like, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. Africa is on the map. You guys better get ready. Nigeria to the world, Africa to the world. Yes.
Okay, so tell me, the part 1 came out 1998.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the prince actually left his father's palace to go get a wife. So now he got a wife, right?
Yeah.
From the part 1. So what else? Like, why is the part 2 coming up? Like,
Maybe he had a son or something. I don't know. I'm really interested to see what happened in part 2. You know, I've been waiting for this. That first movie came out before I was born, but it was one of my favorite movies till date. Yeah.
all right. So thank you so very much, Fountain, and do enjoy the rest of the evening. Chop knuckle, chop knuckle. Do it choke for us. It choke. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm still right here at the Coming to America Part 2 movie premiere. Don't be scared, because even myself, I'm trying to be scared, but I don't want to be scared because of this hefty man. So I'm covered. On guard, on guard, on guard.
On guard, you covered.
I'm not gonna be scared. Okay, so good evening. Should I call you guys Bob Daddy?
Let me. Sorry, you said good evening.
Yes.
Around here we speak. Mabule is a Bulogulu. Munda. Forever. Or nothing.
Okay. All right. So I am. Good evening. Can I meet you? What's your name?
Yeah, you know who I am. Come on now. You already know. Like, stop it.
Okay.
Yeah.
For those who don't
No,
know,
let me stop. You know, it's IK in the building, you know, and just came to check it out. I love the first
I
movie.
need you to correct this again. IK or EK? Because...
You know, I just accepted that everyone has their own way.
Okay.
Everybody has their own way.
Okay.
they know who he is.
Okay, so tell me, what's your name?
I'm Ozzy, aka one half of the Unbody twins.
O'Shea, I don't know. What's
Listen,
your name?
I'm OC, but let me just say something, yeah? That's OZ and that's EK.
Okay.
They know who y'all are.
It choke.
They know who y'all are.
Okay, guys. I need you. Okay, let me start to from my left. Okay, so Coming to America Part 1 came out 1998. The prince left his father's house to go get a wife, just like any of you could just leave Nigeria.
We've all watched it like 100 times.
Okay, so tell me, what else should we like? That should be an end to the movie. So why are we having Part 2 here? So tell me, what are you expecting?
What am I expecting from Part 2? Look, Part 1 was a classic.
Okay.
By any means of the word classic.
Okay.
So Part 1 was so good. I don't expect Part 2 to be as good as Part 1. But
what I look for in part 2 is the genius of Eddie Murphy. You know, a lot of people have thought that maybe he fell off or he was asleep or something like that. So this is an opportunity for him, an opportunity for Arsenio Hall. They brought in artists like Davido and all these people, so it's also good for black people as well. So I'm just looking forward to everything that that tonight brings, the crowd. Yo, I love these experiences, and that's what I'm looking forward to.
All right. Okay, so tell me, Ike, like, how do you feel getting to have our own Oriade, OBO baddest? Yeah, and Giant of Africa, Burna Boy in the soundtrack. How do you feel?
You know, it's amazing. You know, Nigerians are doing so well globally, and it's wonderful to see, you know, Nigerians get the recognition they deserve. You know, I really love it, and I can't wait to watch the movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so to the last man standing, yeah, tell me, aside the Nigerian actor, or let me say celebrities present in the movie, which other actors are you looking forward to see?
I'll be honest with you, I'm not really focused on actors per se. I mean, there's a lot of legends in there. I'm just focused on, especially in 2021, the representation of Africa. You know, that's what, you know, from the aesthetics to the culture and everything, how they put it out there, how they represent. I mean, there's a lot of legendary actors in there. I can't begin to tell you which one I'm looking out for, so I'm just more focused on how Africa is represented.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at the movie premiere of Coming to America 2, and right there is the relation.
In short, first things first, I am wearing my sister's jumpsuit. Let me even just show you so that you see.
Oh!
And then I had to wear this crown to cover my imposing crotch, because it had been showing in the jumpsuit. In short, gbogbo ogbolo, gbogbo atutu poyoyo, and the obrigado is very visible. And then, of course, this is Tiana styling any day, anytime.
I was actually expecting that.
Then I am wearing my cousin's pants. And then my hair was made by Lush Hair. This is Lush Hair. They came to my house specifically to do it. So much going on tonight. And I stitched this mask in the car. Yes, so on the way here.
You dash.
Madam, oh yeah, let's go there.
Okay, so tell me, Derele, how do you feel to be here tonight?
First things first, this is cultural appropriacy. This is brilliant because you see, we grew up on Coming to America when this was 33 years ago.
Right, 1998.
And I'm going to be 40 this year, so I know what I'm talking about. But you see, when you tell Gen Z and the new millennials about Coming to America, look at you like, what you're talking about. So this is a movie for the present generation, and it's also cultural appropriacy that they can also pass on to the generation to come. So it's absolutely brilliant to start with. It's also the fact that it's been revamped to suit what's going on right now. My homegirl is the one playing lead in this movie, Nomzano Mbata, the South African diva. She's the lead in this. I'm so excited for her. Nomzano, take it away, make it happen. And then, of course, my people, let's see the magic that Eddie Murphy is going to do.
So right there at the Coming to America 2, and right there with me is one of our ultimate lovers. Give it up for, give it up for, give it up for. Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. What's
How
up?
you doing? I'm good. I'm good. Like, I love your outfit. It's super gorgeous. Like, how long did it take you to look this beautiful?
Like 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he just put it on as a guy. Nothing much. Yeah.
You know, so are you trying to?
The only thing that took time was I did this hair, and that took
Yourself?
like 2 hours. No, not myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So tell me, what are you looking forward to see in the movie? Knowing fully well that season 1 was all about the prince leaving his father's palace to go somewhere else to go look for a bride. But he got a bride, so that should be the end of the movie. So what's up with movies like that?
Movies like this are timeless. Coming to America, timeless. You can watch it 20 times and still feel good as you felt the first time you watched it. So they have to be a sequel. There has to be a part 3 even, if possible. Yeah, so I'm just looking forward to good vibes, watching opulence, luxury, and everything nice, you know.
Okay,
basically.
so tell me, Ike, how did you feel again getting to have our own Oria, the OBO in this movie, and Burna Boy in the soundtrack?
Oh, really? I actually didn't know that. This is like new information. Powers to Nigerians, man. You know, we're setting the pace for the culture and we're infiltrating the world.
Right.
And that's an amazing thing. That's an amazing thing.
All right. So guys, we're still right there at the movie premiere of Coming to America 2, and from the season 1, you could tell that it's an African movie. So that's why I'm having this beautiful princesses to my right and to my left. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so tell me, how do you feel in this outfit? Tell me.
I feel amazing, like I feel I'm totally African, like I feel amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy that I'm here.
That you're here, right?
Yes, exactly.
So tell me, you've seen the season 1 before, Coming to America 1, right?
Yes,
You've seen the one before. So now it's all about the prince getting to go to another state or a place to get a wife, right? And the movie just ended there. So it should end there. So why are we expecting season 2? Tell me.
Wow, I don't know, but I think we should expect something different or something amazing. So I'm here. I just want us to see what's going to happen in the season 2. Yeah, exactly.
Right. Tell me how you feel having OBO in this movie, performing in this movie, and Burna Boy in the soundtrack. Tell me.
Okay, I think it's really cool because we know like how the old one went and there was none of like Nigerians in it. So now like Nigerians being in the African movie, I think it's really cool, yeah.
Okay, still right here at the Coming to America 2, and as you've seen so far, it's all about the African representation, and I'm super excited because Nigeria no for my own now, and here with me is another princess. Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How you feeling?
I'm excited. I'm super happy. Yeah.
So turn around. Let me see what you got. Okay. Ooh, this is super beautiful. Gorgeous and different. So tell me, how long did it take you to look this good? Like, how long did it take you to complete this outfit?
It took us actually, my outfit literally was made in half a day. I decided on this look with my designer, Wisdom Franklin, yesterday afternoon, and it was ready this morning. Okay. And getting ready, I'll say about 3 hours in total. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, and you feel so comfortable wearing this, right?
Super comfortable.
Like you want to fly away, princess. Okay, so tell me, what's your name? Sorry.
So my name is Chioma Ikoku, aka Chioma Good Hair.
Yes, Chioma Good Hair in the building. Okay, so tell me, Chioma, you've seen the season 1 of Coming to America, no doubt. Yes, and the prince actually left his father's home, like the palace, to go get a wife, which later got. So the movie should end there. So what's up with the part 2? Like,
I just think it was such an amazing movie, and the younger generation never got to see such awesomeness, see Africa in such a different light. So I think it's important for them to be able to see our culture, the wealth, the wisdom, the fashion, all of Africa in all of its glory. I think it's necessary. And I think even the part 3 in the next 30 years will be welcome.
This is the third person telling me she's expecting part 3. Okay, let's see. So tell me, how do you feel having the Oriade, O to the B to the O in this movie, and Burna Boy in the soundtrack?
I'm so happy. I think it's fantastic. Nigeria to the world, hey! But yeah, I'm super proud of Davido and Burna Boy for even being featured. It goes to show that Africa is clearly being watched by the rest of the world, and we're up to the match, up to the match or even better.
Give it up for Juliet Ibrahim.
Hi.
So good evening, Mama. How do you feel tonight?
I feel great.
I shouldn't even ask you that.
Royal, right?
Even from your outfit, just take a look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. So tell me, how long did it take you to look this good? Like, how long did
6 hours, my sister.
Like today?
Forget the royalty right now. My body, they're paying me.
Okay, so who made this outfit for you?
CEO Lumine official. Yeah, so I contacted Swanky Jerry, no Swanky, no style. I was like, make me a royal. It's like, don't worry, girl. I know who to call. And the two of them put it together, made magic. My hairstylist, who I always use, my personal hairstylist, Ben Flashes. I said, I want this look. I don't want any ordinary hairstyle.
And how am I feeling like you're in this movie already?
I'm there. Yeah, I'm in it. It's a surprise.
Okay, so tell me, Juliet. The season 1 was all about the prince leaving his father's palace to go look for a wife. And he got the wife, so that should be the end of Coming to America. So why are we having season 2? Come on, tell me, what are you expecting?
Because sometimes the stories will have a twist. He got a wife. What if they have to go back to you know, Africa to live instead of living in America.
Okay.
You know? Uh-huh. So maybe one old boyfriend that she had in Africa would not come around and be trying to, oh, you can never tell. His, like children might now want to go back to Africa to experience Africa, which is something we Africans do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's possible.
All right, so guys, we all know fully well that Juliet Ibrahim is a Ghanaian, but she's been part of Nigerian entertainment since I was younger, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, Juliet, how do you feel having our own OBO in this movie, performing live, and Burna Boy in the soundtrack?
Feels good though. It feels good. Like, it's amazing. It's an achievement for us. Knowing that I watched the first Coming to America like 33 years ago or something, right?
That was 1990.
Like, it's a big deal. It's a big deal for us. We've come a long way. I'm so proud. Yeah, I'm so proud.
I'm proud.
I'm proud.
I'm proud. All right, thank you so very much. Okay, guys, we're still right here at the movie premiere of Coming to America 2. And right here with me is one of the princes of this land. Give it up for Prince of Big Brother.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Same here, Prince. You look like breathtaking. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, how long did it take you to look like your costume? Where did you get it from?
I was started by the one and only Force, Swanky Jerry. So actually, no styling. And you know, we had to fly all of this in from Ghana.
Wow.
So all of this, we flew from Ghana. I came into Nigeria today.
Oh, okay. So tell me, Prince, I'm very sure you must have seen Coming to America 2, right? Yeah. So now the Prince left his father's palace to go get a wife. He got the wife. That should be the end of the movie. So what's up with 2? Like, what are you expecting?
I'm expecting the unexpected, and you know, with this kind of movies, you can never tell what the story is, how they're going to flip it. So I'm looking forward to be wild.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me, how did you feel getting to have our OBO in this movie and Burna Boy in the soundtrack?
It's amazing. You know, the Nigerian artists are breaking barriers. We're going far and wild. Our reach right now is global, and seeing our artists in this kind of movie, which is going to be airing all over the world, is one way to also, you know, put our country on the map, and I'm very, very happy about it.
Right. Thank you so very much, Prince, and do enjoy the rest of the evening. Please turn around. Like, this is wow. Okay, guys, getting to see all of the outfits right here at this movie premiere, Coming to America 2. Right here with me is Neo, and he's representing what part of Africa? Tell us.
I'm representing the place I'm from, Delta State, Urobo. Definitely. See me now.
Okay, give us some Urobo dance.
Urobo dance right here. Like, they can.
Okay, Neo, tell me, I'm very sure you must have seen the season 1 of Coming to America 1. Yeah, and it's all about the prince leaving his father's palace, to go get a wife. He got a wife, right? So that was the end of the movie. So what's up with part 2?
Part 2, right?
Yeah, right?
I want to know what it's about, but then it becomes a spoiler when you do. So I'm just actually having a very open mind, honestly. Yeah.
Okay, so Neo, tell the audience, how do you feel getting to have our own OBO baddest in this movie, live in this movie, performing live, and Burna Boy in the soundtrack?
You know when you're in the house and then there's lights and then they just off the lights. That feeling you get, that's the feeling I get.
Oh, shit.
Knowing the fact that Davido actually performed his original song on that movie. Man, it's a big step for Africa, honestly. It's a big step for Nigeria.
I think it's 1 million or Chama My Love. I get
assurance.
Yeah, assurance.
Mad. I mean, it just shows you have more pride to be Nigerian. Right. More pride, honestly. I'm very proud. I'm very proud. I'm too proud, honestly.
All right, thank you so very much, Neo. Before you go, I need you to give me some last. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at IMAX Cinemas Lagos movie premiere of Coming to America 2, and right here with me is Ozo. I wouldn't know what part of Africa is represented with this outfit, so let's hear from him. Hi, good evening, Ozo.
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. So tell me, what part of Africa are you representing with this outfit?
Well, I'm mixed, like, I've got like the Hausa vibe, I've got the Yoruba vibe, I've got my Igbo blood in me, so pretty much like, I think like everything, but just like an urban vibe to everything. That's just what it is.
All right. So tell me, also, I'm very sure, no doubt, you must have seen season one of this Coming to America.
Yeah.
The prince left his father's palace to go look for a wife. He got a wife. that was the end of the movie, right? So what's up with part 2, like season 2 or whatever, part 2, whatever, what you call it? What are you expecting? Like, because I've been thinking like, okay, I've seen 1, he got a wife, and that's the end. So what's up with 2?
I think for me with 2, I'm just trying to see, I've seen the trailer obviously, I think most people have seen the trailer, and I'm just hoping to see something that's going to be like entertaining. That's just what it is. Like, it's a comedy movie at the end of the day, so I just want to see like lots of entertainment. That's just what it is for me.
It's such a great evening, and I'm super excited because the movie premiere of Coming to America 2 is something you guys wouldn't want to miss out. Like, you wouldn't want someone to tell you about this movie. Talking about the outfits from different celebrities, how they rock their African attire. I can say I am super proud to be a Nigerian tonight, guys. Getting to see Obi Oriade in this movie performing, I think 1 million, yeah. About $1 million. So don't let me tell you guys about this movie. Just go to any cinemas close to you and go watch this movie. Keep it locked down on Plug TV, where we plug you down on all entertainment news, gist you want to know about. It's still your very own girl, Ibrahim, and I'm signing out from here.